Hello, SmartBotsland friends. I've explained before how to create a store in your bot. Now, in this session, I want to tell you an important tip. So, stores, I click on my stores and you can see here a very useful feature has added customer pay tab, and it is manual payment. You know, we've already have payment on delivery and online. But manual payment, I show you, and I can activate payment on delivery and online. You know, description of manual payment. Here you can write your credit card or other account numbers. For example, this is a sample description of manual payment. And merchant ID, I've explained before, this is for online payment. And the second important point is adding operators. If you don't add operators here, you cannot create your store because all the orders will send to the operators. Thanks for being with us. As always, have a good time.